Hi guys, welcome to Maths Cube. Today we are attempting the third question of the Solomon paper. That's a C module. So let's get right into it. So this third question states that the curve with equation y equal to f of x passes through the point 8, which is the x axis, and the 7, which is the y axis, given that f dash of x equal to 4x upon 1 upon 3 minus 5. Find f of x. So we have to find this f of x, and we have been given f dash of x. This means that the differential has been done. So we have to find f of x. And how to find f of x? We simply have to integrate this whole function. We have to integrate this whole function. So we have to integrate this whole function to get f of x. So let's get started. Now how to integrate? Basically just put this sign, that's integral sign, and integrate 4x 1/3 minus 5. What I'll do here is I'll integrate these both functions separately. So I'll take integral of 4x 1/3 first. So how to integrate 4x to the power 1 upon 3? So basically you add 1 to the power first. So 1 upon 3 plus 1 will be 4 upon 3. That's the power done. Now what? Now divide 4 by the power we got, which is 4 upon 3. 3. So these 4 cancels out and we get 3. So 3x 4 upon 3 is the integral of the first half. That's the integral of that. Now for the second one, if you know the integral of a basic number, integral for basic number is 5x. Simply whenever we are integrating with respect to x, it's 5x for a normal number. So we will write it as 3x to the power 4 upon 3 minus 5x. And don't forget that we have to add a constant. Always after integrating we have to add a constant. So this is our f of x, but our answer is not complete yet because they have given that this point passes through it. So we have to find the value of this constant. So now to find the value of c, we'll plug the 8 and the 7 to the respective axes and then find the value. So this will lead us to 7 equal to, after multiplying 8 with these values, we'll be getting 8 plus c. So subtracting 8 from both sides will give us c equal to minus 1. So I'll write the equation now. So this right here is our final equation. That's f of x, and that's how you integrate any function. That's our 6 marks. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Stay tuned for more videos like this.